my goodness gracious, I had the wrong cables on here. I've been welding it with these reversed. Damn it. Now it's actually pretty good. Damn it. There's like a night and day difference between the welds. Well, those were pretty bad welds. But then when I adjusted it, I think we'll take a break today. So last video we figured out that we had the MIG gun and the ground wired the wrong way, and once we switched it over and had the ground as the negative, then whoop-de-doo, I'm welding a lot better. This is what we had before, just pure like nastiness, and then my welding skills are not great, but just doing that little adjustment like right here made a big difference. So holy crap, make sure you take your time and check your settings, because that does make a difference. Got this thing welded up today. This is the pipe that comes off the downpipe. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, put it in, and continue welding it piece by piece. Alright, let's go see what's going on down here. Oh crap. Uh-oh. not all welded, but kind of want to see what it sounds like. We did miss a gasket out here that we gotta put back. This guy goes in here. I'll have to take that out real quick. Well, let's see what this sounds like. It gives me some like inspirational vibes right there. It's actually not too quiet, but I wonder how much we can kind of quiet it down to I don't know. It'll be interesting to see.